Hello everyone, my name is Mariya and I am a marketing manager who is very curious about NLP, and I am a certified NLP Master Coach. And I took this trainer training with Dr. Doris NLP, and I'm absolutely fascinated about all the learnings I got. What do I got with this training what I didn't have before? Confidence, definitely. I got amazing tools and knowledge which I can use in any training I want to create, and I will apply those tools. It's like a treasure box with the amazing tools trainer can have. And what was my expectations before the training is, to be honest, I thought it will be filled with theory, but it was such an amazing, active, and filled with lots of practical exercises training. So my aha moment is that I would never thought in an evening I can create a full content with exercise and storytelling workshop. So this was an amazing aha moment. I'm so confident with my abilities, because Dr. Doris gave us such an amazing tools to apply when we're preparing for our workshops or trainings. And if I would like to recommend it to someone, I would say this is the best trainer training can be existed. And to be honest, I don't think there is any such of the training existing, especially for the NLP trainers. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.